Nanya nabo Monda nigabaga wikirana bosio bwe bungeyo erio kwegerera sabakago kana ama mochayo no gotabunere tabwatiraniri na eri mochorinda lyonsi korende nigo ago ikirania emeremo yaye asenchera ebwenerate no muriketo Vincent Onyancha nigabwata manki
Nengana egendrete kumulekirwa sobo ime anemona so kumurusia bisomo konyo mo governor we county ya Kisii Robert Monda.
Number 2 is that you gave out a bribe to one Lucy Wahito.
Yes, that's
the allegation.
Yes.
Number 3 is that you threatened Mr. Dennis Misati.
I'm accused for threatening Mr. Dennis Misati.
Number 4 is misusing the county staff.
I am accused for misusing county staff.
And lastly, that you caused the arrest of your brother, Mr. Matundura.
Yes, I'm accused.
Do you accept any of the charges? Do you accept any of these charges?
No,
you do.
I do not.
Gati ya mamocha mubwataranetio mokonyo mo governor we county ya Kisii Robert Monda no kayulia kire shiringi chiribu chimisato kurwase Dennis Misati elianyara kwa wemeremo asensemeria ya mache engana mokonyo mo governor Monda atoguterare na gote abuna chibesa etu nigo chiarenge chiribu chimisano echibona etu na Joseph Misati oyore tatomu abo Dennis Misati asekeli Monda te abuna babera abo babere bagotoro bwamate bwankigima ase miaka emerongo 3 anemona sensemeria yo bonchereria ase bakotrana asera yo wekinia.
The money came from the mother and Misati under the instructions of Joseph Misati, which money then Dennis Misati transacted according to the instructions of the father. He threatening anyone, and so I did not threaten one Dennis Misati.
We move on to the next.
Monda boy goni gamo chigwa soko mwali ya Lucy Wahito shiringi chiriwe miyajemo starikia merongevere na kiando mutinyo gatano mwako eta asensemo ya machi ya Wasco elianya ko mwemere mo Dennis Misati engana Monda kana na gotuguterara gotabuna chibese chiabeteka gotumo gocha Lucy Wahito niga achitometa senchera etawanereti anani gebete nani gabwente ko mutomera Gladys Aminga chibese chyo oyoro mu chief officer ase county ya Kisii.
100,000 to Gusii is that it was an erroneous remittance of 100,000 to account.
That is very true, Mr. Speaker. It was an error like anyone can do on M-Pesa.
Okay, and the money was meant for who?
The money was meant for transport service for Gladys Aminga, who also happened to be a chief officer.
Boy goni gekotebekana buna Monda ni gakubatumia bakoli emeremo be county asigasiya echianka engana amochigwa ase amamocho yeli tukolia lero anena soko nyara kumulise lichombe okama nabo gokunyegesima asenka yaye engana Monda akana.
Is it true that you have misused the county staff for these purposes?
Mr. Speaker, for the sake of record, I will request your chair for clarity to have the house visit my home, look at where my dairy cattle are kept, where the well mentioned in this allegation has been done recently, and also where the farm is, where I'm using the county staff. Also, you can be able to identify which is this old house.
Move on to the issue of dairy. What do you have to say about the allegation that you're using the staff to manage your cows?
Again, I have not kept any animal for dairy in that home to date. You can visit and see.
Chingakie chio asamo mocharia akotebekana mu bwatanetio mokonyo mu governor we county ya Kisii no gotumeka chinguru goetani ya kerongo ane mona soko nyara kumubeka byara mu muromu abo asemonda ate abuna mu muromu abo niga mubegete byara maiga yoko na chemete ya mangana arengete enka.
So he is my brother.
He is your brother.
Yes.
Is it true he was arrested?
True, he was arrested.
Could you tell this?
Under my investigation, under my instructions. That I want to make it clear. Mr. Speaker, it is the police who arrested my brother.
And how did they arrest him?
They arrested him because he had trespassed into making timber out of my trees and making it look like he is.
Okay, so he cut your trees?
Yes.
He cut your trees and you're unhappy?
Yes.
And what happened?
I reported to the police.
You reported to the police.
Because even Mr. Speaker, I turned around and picked a panga and cut him like other people do. Would that be more law than what I did?
Nigo bono etigale tokoboria na boigo ne senate konyara kumurekere ngane ye nakokoro butukiwe ime igoro yo kumurusia bisio mokonyi bo mugavana we county ya Kisii. Reporter Ndizi TV kurwa samagacho ye bunge ye county ya Kisii. Literane nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyansha.